Hi, I'm Owen Steele. I'm the Student Council Co-President. Today we will be having our third quarter honor roll assembly. Congratulations to everyone who worked hard this quarter. Now please stand for the national anthem by the Intermediate and Advanced Band. And now I'd like to introduce the Vicenza Middle School principal, Dr. Smith.
Okay, hey, welcome to Vicenza Middle School's third quarter virtual honor roll assembly. I would like to say thank you all for the hard work that you put forward for quarter three. We're not going to do a quarter four honor roll, so this will be our last honor roll of the year, but I do appreciate all of the hard work, the attention to detail, the willingness to do the extra work in order to receive the grades that you have received. So thank you again, and let us start with the principal's honor roll for all A's for sixth grade. Starting with sixth grade, Sophia Almazar, Emery Balmer, Avery Brewington, Lilia Bright, Sophia Brucan, Athena Butner, Timothy Dean, Luke Froelich, Alexis Fruto, Andrew Fulmer, Valerie Gomez, Jace Jinkus, Caleb Hedke, Mason Kang, Carson Kester, Amelie Sanson, Alexandra Simmers, Elizabeth Simmers, Fatima Celia, Taylor Thomas, and Sydney Weibeld. For seventh grade, we have Alexander Brions, Cecilia Fender, Julian Garduno, Henry Grady, Owen Horner, Artun Kessler, Daniel Lohr, Ainsley McLeod, Landon Miguel, Noah Torres, and Brett Woodward. And for eighth grade, we have Junzi Bellinger, Matthew Chichester, Eric Cortez, Lauren Quaylar, Antonia DePot, Maggie Elkema, Eric Finley, Taylor Garris, Emma Gasolone, Isabel Green, Naomi Johns Condez, Cooper McCann, Olive Morris, Sydney Overstreet, Fidel Padilla, Gianna Porcelain, Carolina Ramos, Madison Shields, Evangeline Simmers, Riley Timberlake, Genevieve Winterstein, and Macy Wolf. For the A-B honor roll sixth grade, we have Leo Anderson, Taylon Baker, Sebastian Batts, Amy Borge, Elijah Boykin, Joseph Branch, Euloria Bornafor, Miles Boltman, Alejandro Castaneda, Roy Christensen, Ryder Clunch, Logan Connor, Alejandro Contreras Saldivar, Joseph DePat, Gavin Dyerly, William Ellsworth, Luca Fisher Steinkraus, Tristan Flood, Nicholas Gillespie, Shiloh Gobble, Aaliyah Gonzalez, Aisley Great, Gina Hernandez, Sophia Holtz, Kieran Joves, Ryan Kalusny, Ian Kim, Wyatt Leonard, Connor Lightfoot, Annabella Luhid, Nathan Luba, Aiden Marquez, Parker Michelina, Samuel Moser, Joshua Noel, Julius Viking Anawamke, Bradley Osgood, Edward Pari, Cheyenne Phillips, Matthew Ramey, Chloe Randall, Julio Salavara, Bentley Sears, Emma Stuttgart, Weston Thomason, Edge Townsend, Adriana Waters, Ava Williams, Wyatt Williams, Mason Wolf. For the 7th grade AB Honor Roll, we have Mariah Janelle Atenta, Vivia Boswell, Jackson Bracey, Grace Brudell, Mila Butner, Derek Herrera, Callie Comlin, Sheka Cox, Bianca Dubé, Nathan Henry, Neffy Kelly, Rama Nefusi, Janiyah North, Olivia Parker, Cole Pearl, Kaylee Shields, Lucas Sester, Jania Supnet, Jacqueline Thomas, Rosalind Thomas, Marcus Wampole, Fletcher Williams, Clark Wood, and Jude Zola. For the 8th grade AB Honor Roll, we have David Adelman, Ava Alderson, Maya Beatty, Megan Becker, Delia Brock, Nikki Brown, Juliana Serta, Nora Christensen, Kamari Crenshaw, Ramsey Dowden, Nathan Dumas, Kaylee Ellsworth, Ava Frazee, Teddy Funston, Braxton Gutierrez, Victoria Hill, Austin Keinenberg, Charles Kosmicki, Jacob Leon, Brian Lewis, Anthony Lozardo Cable, Isabel Magaha, Camelia Melendez, Grayson Morales, Suri Newberry, Allison Oliveira, Sean Otwar, Princess Jazzy Pantalon, Gracie Perry, Lexi Pollard, Gabriel Reynoso Strawn, Jose Rivera, Christian Rodriguez, Owen Seal, Lydia Seaford, Janina Smith, Jude Williams, and Noah Williams. I want to congratulate all of our students who are on Principal's Honor Roll and AB Honor Roll. Nice job.
Congratulations, Pumas. Continue the hard work through quarter 4. Have a great day.